Hi, this is Vizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pin app to taskbar on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Mounting apps on your taskbar can simplify your work process, ensuring commonly used programs are ready readily reachable. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it, how to pin application to your taskbar so you can uh, access the app easily. It's very simple. First of all, as you can see here, I have this. If you don't know what is taskbar is here on the bottom, and you want to add app to your taskbar, you can maybe I would choose apps from start menu. I will choose Xbox. I want to add this to my text bar. So you can click right on the app and you can select on pin to text bar. So now you can see the apps is on our text bar right now. It's very simple, right? And also I want to add this one to my text bar, Microsoft Store. You can do the same thing, click right and pin to text bar, and the app will appear on your text bar. It's very simple, right? So that is how to pin app to your text bar on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!